Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also do not forget to turn the notification bell to know when I upload new video. Today we'll be making a hair scrunchie. You know, the scrunchies for the hair when you make braids, or some of you that have long hair, you can use it to pack your hair or that of your kids. So what you need for this tutorial is pieces of fabric that measures. Today I'll be working with 24 inches length and also 4 inches width, 24 by 4 inches width. So when you get your when your fabric is ready, when you measure out your fabric, fold it like so, fold like so, fold it into two, and then stitch from here to here. If you don't have sewing machine, you can use your needle to do so from here to here. I will use my sewing machine now to sew it down, but before you do that, use your pins. Always use your pin. If you don't have a pin, you can as well do that. So it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna pin it down just a bit to hold it together before I sew it down. So like so, I'll sew it from here to here. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished stitching it down, as you guys can see, but before I forget, when you are stitching it down, don't forget to leave a space. I started my stitches from here at the beginning here, and I stopped here a little bit and leave a space. See, I left this space that will help us to in our process of making this scrunchie. So after that, the next thing to do is to turn it to the good side. I'm gonna turn it like so. Sorry, let me remove there's a pin here I forgot to remove. Okay, let me go like this. Just turn it to the good side and just put everything inside like so, and stretch it to let it out. So now we have the good side, and at this stage you can iron it down. Just use your iron to iron it down. So right now I will take it to my iron to iron it down. You see, it doesn't look good as it is now, so I'll iron it down and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, so I've finished ironing it down. The next thing to do now is to sew these two ends together, to put it together. So how to do that, remember I told you guys to leave a space. Yeah, leave a space. You see the opening here. So now turn it like so, and through this opening, either you do it that way or just take the two ends together and use your pin to hold it together like so. So now I will use my pins, but you don't have to. If you can figure it out by yourself, you don't have to pin it down. So at this edge, after pinning this side, this end and this end together, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch it down. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. So as you guys can see, I've finished putting the both ends together. So the next thing to do now is to insert your elastic. Put a safety pin like so. You have a safety pin. This is always handy to have. Make sure when you are sewing constantly, make sure you have this. Working with elastic is very easy. So now we're gonna use this opening. Remember the opening. Insert from here watch out this end. Hold it firm in order not to lose it. Till it will come out to this side, to this end. You see where we started. So now remove your pin. You see we have the both elastic together. You see? So we're gonna tie like so. Tie to the check how you want it to be. If you want it so tight, you tie. So now you're gonna tie the scrunchie and double it again. At this point, you can remove this excess elastic. So now we're gonna close up this opening. Remember, we're gonna close it up. I will use my fabric glue. I'll use my fabric glue. The glue is already like it's getting congealed somehow. So I'll just take a little bit and just gradually. It's better. It works for me when I just take a little bit and spread it sparingly here. I'll add more on this side. So now this is a permanent fabric glue. I use it all the time. If you check some of my previous videos, you'll see where I explain everything about this glue in case you want to use it. So I'll use it now to seal up the opening, and I'll remove this excess thread. When you seal it up, your scrunchie is ready. This is so beautiful. See? It's ready. So as simple as. So if you like the video, please do not forget to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye.